It was great working with such professionals. I mean, we just have an idea in mind of what we want to do and how it would work for us. They really helped us put it all together to what works best for us. And it's awesome. It's always about the people. The people is just, in Hawaii, we call it shaka.
I'm Miguel Munguia with the Phoenix Convention Center. In 2020, we replaced 7,000 ballroom chairs. We chose the Mighty Light Encore series. We were looking for a chair that was lightweight, stackable, that had fixed gaining devices, that was comfortable for our guests. And what we found in the Encore series was that and more. The number one thing that people should know when they work with Mighty Light is that they're an expert in this business.
In my opinion, Mighty Light offered a personal touch. And I think we recognize and appreciate that perhaps more than some, because that's the business we're in. We're in the hospitality business. They obviously get it. I mean, they carried us through the entire process, and we're thrilled. We're very happy.
At the end of the day, your customer service, the product, in my opinion, it really stood out. And I had reached out to, I had 8 different companies that I was working with, and came down to 2. Your customer service was still outbeating the competitor, and we selected you.